Hey, hear me out for a second. We can all agree that there are many video and image generation models that are outstanding when it comes to specific tasks. I mean, we all know that the Sora model won't let you use realistic images because it tries to prevent impersonation or misleading content about someone. On the other hand, models like Nano and GPT Image follow your instructions much more closely without giving you so many headaches. Some models even allow you to generate content that's almost inappropriate, while the last two ones I mentioned immediately reject those requests. Whether that's good or bad is up to you. But the reality is that most of these models aren't easily accessible, or they require you to pay a huge amount, almost like a ransom. I've spent the last few days diving deep into the world of AI, searching through every corner of the internet, and today I'm here to show you something almost unbelievable. Now, I know you might think I'm about to show you the same old models like Quen or Meta AI. Nah, you're about to see a real game changer. In today's video, I'm here to help you solve that problem. I actually have two tools to show you. One lets you generate videos with almost any model you can think of, while the other lets you create whatever you can imagine. I also have a bonus tip waiting for you at the end of this video, so make sure you watch until the end. I've included timestamps as well, so you can easily jump to any section without getting confused. Before we continue, keep in mind that brand new AI models could be released tomorrow, and this is still a small channel. So if you enjoy content like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe. So for the first, this is a free image and video generator. On the dashboard, you can see the interface looks simple, nothing too complex. Here we have the image generator, and this other icon is the video generator. Up here, we have battle mode, agent mode, side-by-side, and direct. The battle mode and side-by-side options allow you to generate with two different models, compare the results, and select the best one. Then it reveals which model generated each result. Direct mode uses just one AI model. Now let's try the side-by-side for image generation. You select a model for each side, enter a basic prompt, and click Generate. And these were my results. As you can see, both images look good, but I will go with Gemini because it looks more realistic. Then I used a complex prompt and clicked Generate. And as you can see, GPT handled the prompt very well while the other model got confused. Now let's go for the battle mode, but this time for video generation. I entered a simple prompt and clicked Generate, and wow, they both look good.
So this morning I was biking to school like usual, and out of nowhere this car just swerved onto the bike lane. No surprise, I have like a cracked. But honestly, I'm okay. Just glad it wasn't worse.
Hey guys, on my way to school, you won't believe what I saw. There was this huge accident in the intersection. A car ran the red light and hit another one. It was so scary.
Drop your opinion in the comments, A or B. I'll leave that one to you. Now let's try image to video to see which one works better. Mind you, we are doing all of this for free with no cost at all. After entering my prompt, I clicked Generate, and these were my results. Next, let me show you another open source AI tool, and this is a place where your imagination is truly unlimited. But for you to understand everything I'm about to do here, you need to carefully watch this part of the video. So, head over to your search bar, type Hugging Face, and click on the first link. It will bring you to this interface right here. From here, what you need to do is head over to the Spaces option, where you will find thousands of open source AI tools. I mean, there are so many options, from image generation to video generation and many other AI tools. To find the one we're looking for, simply go to the search box and search for Krea. You will see it as one of the first options. When you click on it, it opens a new interface where you can start creating. Right here, you have the prompt box, and underneath that, you can see different models, including Turbo and other options. You will also find prompting tips that teach you how to use this open source tool effectively. When you open the advanced options, you can find more settings, including negative prompts, steps, guidance scale, weight, height, size, and many more options. Now, let's go back up and create something. For the model, we're going to keep it on turbo, and for the resolution, we're selecting landscape. For the advanced options, there are different settings available, and you can customize them depending on what you want to create. After entering my prompt, I clicked generate, and as fast as this video is being recorded, that's exactly how quickly the image output was created. As you can see, the image looks super realistic and it followed my prompt very accurately. Let's try another prompt. After entering it and clicking generate, within seconds my image was created. I'm honestly impressed because I'm not even logged in yet, and this tool is already giving me incredible results. Don't forget, this AI tool can generate different types of content, including unrestricted creations. But always make sure you use AI tools responsibly and follow the rules of the platforms you share content on. Now for the bonus tip. In the first video on this channel, I showed you how to generate cinematic long-form videos and ultra-realistic images for free using Higgsfield AI. Yes, Higgsfield, the best, if not the biggest AI platform you should know about. I also showed you how to get unlimited credits, and I'm currently doing a free giveaway of promo codes. All you need to do is check out the first video on this channel, or click the link you see on your screen. It will take you directly to the video. Just make sure you follow the instructions carefully so you can be verified. If you found this video helpful, let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.